Jig high-frequency press in the composite process of paintless doors. Why are applications so widespread? Main functions. Reflected in reducing costs and increasing efficiency. For wooden door enterprises, the traditional cold pressing method involves pressing one pile at a time, poor flatness, large footprint, high labor intensity of workers, need for over 5 hours of health preservation. Jig high-frequency press in the composite process of paintless doors to remove the wooden door. Low efficiency. This undoubtedly reduces processing efficiency. It also increases a lot of costs. In high-frequency medium heating technology, it is a penetration heating method. Higher acceptance of substrate thickness. Selective heating method unique to high-frequency electric fields. Can quickly heat and penetrate the adhesive into the material, achieving a unified curing effect, thereby ensuring better structural stability. Furthermore, high-frequency compressors belong to low-temperature heating methods. The board is not prone to deformation, blistering, wrinkling, and other issues. Considering comprehensive production capacity and yield, etc., there is a significant improvement compared to traditional processes. The safety of high-frequency compressors is also higher than traditional equipment. Adopting dual grounding shielding method effectively eliminate the possibility of operators touching on radiation. It emits less radiation to the human body than a mobile phone. Complies with international safety standards. Obtain relevant domestic and international certificates. Additionally, its footprint is small. Single machine can complete the one-time composite heating process. No need for segmented heating. It can achieve simultaneous heating of both upper and lower sides, combining two-type feeding and discharging methods. Easy to connect with the entire assembly line operation. Even digital management systems. Jig high-frequency press, quality of cold pressing, high-frequency efficiency, can truly reduce costs and increase efficiency for enterprises.